How to fix Apache Shutdown unexpectedly problem on your XAMPP. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix a XAMPP error, which is basically your Apache shutting down unexpectedly. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step is simply search for your Apache right here, head over to config, and head over to this Apache httpd.config. This will open up a notepad, and there we go. Now, in this notepad, what we'll need to do is we'll need to search for a port that is listen 80, this one right here. What we'll do is change this port from 80 to 8080. Just change it to 8080. Let me zoom in that for you. Change this from which is initially at 80, just add another 80. And you'll need to do the same for your server as well. So you can search for the server connection here. So there you can see server name localhost. Change this from 80 to 8080 again. And let's scroll down again. And after you've done that, that much is basically it. But if you scroll down more, you can check if any other code or any other lines have been disrupted or anything has been changed. So after you've changed all of those into a different port, that is from 80 to 8080, your problem should be fixed. And you can basically press Ctrl S to save this and cross it out. And then finally restart your XAMPP and then your problem should be fixed. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if this video helped, don't forget to leave a like down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.